Hey there, Chad. It's Marcy here with your video, and if what I'm going to go over is three things that you could do if you were looking to bring in more business with your website. And why I shoot these videos for business owners is a lot of times they don't, I mean, they're too busy running their business to understand how all this search engine optimization stuff works and all that. So, and a lot of times their hesitation with hiring somebody to do it for them is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. Quite likely had a bad experience in the past, as we talked about on the phone and the phone calls that we all get, and a lot of them unfortunately get suckered into things where they're not getting results. So that's why I like to educate people, and then at least they can kind of make a decision based on sort of knowing what's going on. So we'll just do a quick overview of your site here. You got a really nice site actually. So what can you, I mean, this looks really great for the customer and everything. It's Google, when it comes to the ranking and getting your site be in front of more eyes and showing up higher in the search engines, is they love content. Your customers are never gonna sit down and read the whole darn thing, but Google would love to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on the homepage. And what I mean by that is just like what I got highlighted here: the information that you're giving, the pictures, making sure that the pictures are named. Like you'd want to name this picture home renovation, kitchen renovation, bathroom renovation, because they flip. It doesn't give me the opportunity, I don't think, to see what it's saved as. I'm pretty sure all of the pictures, I clicked on a couple, you've got just the same thing: renovation, Lower Mainland, but you could name them different keywords that your customers would be typing in. So more content for people that need to increase their visibility. That's one of the key ways of doing it. Yeah, I really like your site. Next thing you could do to help push you up here, get you further up into here, and we call this the map pack. And statistically, stats show that probably about 50% of the clicks when people search in the first page, 50% of those clicks are going to these people that show up in the top 3 for the search. So anybody that was wanting to push themselves up there, what you would do is you would get more citations. And what a citation is it's a place on the internet where you would find your exact business name, address, and phone number listed. So 411 listing, Yellow Pages, Yelp, all those places, where you can say list your business for free. The more that you have those listed, then of course Google goes out, crawls the web, sees your business name all over the place, and it lets them know that you are in fact a legit business. And then it's just beating all your competitors and having your business cited in more directories than them. That's going to help to push you up in these listings. And then the third thing that I took a look at, what I did, use the key search term home renovation, Vancouver. I saw that you were Lower Mainland and Fraser Valley, so I just used Vancouver. And I took the first one that showed up. This section below the maps is what we call the organic section. So people are showing up here just based on the strength of their website, and the backlinks are what does that. And what a backlink is it's a link from a third-party site on the internet linking back to yours, and to simply describe how that benefits you. If you think of the internet as being a big popularity contest, when other sites, vote for yours, aka link to yours, Google crawls the web, sees this, and they see you as the popular one. So then they're going to push you up higher in the search. So I put your site into this tool called Ahrefs, and it shows us what's going on behind the scenes, and it shows me that you have 6 referring domains, so 6 other websites on the internet that are linking back to yours, giving you 17 backlinks, that you're being found for 116 organic keywords, and that you're getting roughly about 5 visitors to your site. They're finding your site, like not through a paid ad or anything, just typing in the search and you coming up in the search. So that site that's in the number 1 position, you can see that he has 262 backlinks. And when it comes to the backlinks, it's not, these metrics don't always show the way you would think. quality over quantity for sure. The backlinks that you get, you want them to be from reputable sites on the internet, sites that have been there for a while, sites that Google trusts, and things that are relevant to what it is that you do. So in this case, he's got 262, giving him 976 backlinks. So that's 262 other websites linking to his, being found for just about 3,000 keywords. And he's getting roughly 1,500 visitors clicking on his site each month. So that's how all that works. Your content, having plenty of citations to help you get up there in the map listing, and a strong backlink profile based on optimizing your keywords too. So if we click on here and see this, pretty much everybody's going to show up for their business name, of course, but Renovations Vancouver, he's in the #1 spot. Vancouver Renovation. Let's just take a quick look. I don't like these to go on too long. People get bored of this, but you are showing up. So basement suite renovation ideas, 17. There's roughly 8 to 10 businesses listed on each page. So this would put you on bottom of the second, maybe top of the third. Commercial renovation, number 24. So they were probably going to be, you're going to be third page. So that's how that all works. As I said, if you were looking to have your site more visible, more content on your site, just letting Google know through the words there what it is that you offer, where it is that you're offering it, more citations, get your business listed in more directories, and strengthen your backlink profile. So there you go. There's your video, Chad. Thanks for, it was nice talking to you today. And yeah, if you come across any business owners that do actually want to have their site more visible, shoot them my way. Take care.